Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if your little one loves Miles Morales like my son, then they will love this little golden book about Miles Morales, Spider-Man. This book is simple enough for little ones to follow along and get excited as they see Miles get his superpowers for the first time, start discovering them, and saving the world, of course. What I love about this book is, of course, Miles is just a regular old kid who gets his Spider-Man powers. And it's fun to see him learn about those powers, use them, but at the end, again, says there's nothing easy about saving the world on a school night. So at the end of the day, he is just a regular kid, even with all of those special superhero powers. Now, I love this book because it's an easy read. The words are simple enough for my son to understand it, even to be able to read it a little bit himself as well. The pictures are engaging and entertaining. They show Miles jumping and hopping and fighting villains, so it keeps my son entertained. This Miles Morales Spider-Man book is actually one of my son's favorites to look through on his own at bedtime, and we just absolutely love this book. But that's just our point of view.